Hello guys and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to save text and links from web to Google Keep directly in Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have an extension called Google Keep. So I'm gonna open Chrome Web Store. Let's open Chrome Web Store. Search for it. Open it. Let's search for Keep, as you can see, and click here and add this extension to Chrome. As you can see, it's added. And as it's being added, let's open any article from the internet. Articles, for example, any article. And that's open this, for example, from Purdue. So as you can see, for example, I want this part to be added to my Google Keep, so I'm gonna select it, right click, and ta-da! It's all in Google Keep in a note, and you may add its title, and it has its link. And that's it. Very simple, very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Have a good day.